Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Children, in our last session, we have discussed lesson 10 Pit-Pat's journey. The lesson is about the journey of Pit-Pat. So, here Pit-Pat is the raindrop. One day, Pit-Pat was sleeping on the wave in the middle of the ocean, and Pit-Pat is moving up and down as the waves are moving. Then the sun came and wakes up Pit-Pat. Sun says that, come on, wake up Pit-Pat. Then Pit-Pat opened his eyes and says that, oh, it's getting very hot. Then sun says that my rays are so powerful that it will get warmer and warmer, hotter and hotter. Then Pit-Pat, stretching his arms, looking up, says that, see that dark cloud, how cool it is. It would be very nice if I go up and join in the clouds. Then Pit-Pat started rising up to join the cloud. As Pit-Pat is going up, it feels light and warm and began to rise up in the air. And then Pit-Pat says to the sun, waving his hands, that I'm floating here. I don't want to swim anymore here. Just I'm gliding up, up, up. And then as Pit-Pat is floating higher and higher, it saw the other droplets. Then one of the droplet named Drip Drop met Pit-Pat. Now both were talking and they are gliding up into the sky. Drip Drop introduced itself that I am Drip Drop and I have come here for a ride. Do you also come for a ride? Then Pit-Pat says that, yes, I come here to join the cloud. The cloud is so cool. I want to cool myself. Then says that, come on, let's go and join the other droplets to form a group so that we can form a cloud. Pit-Pat, Drip Drop has joined the other droplets and formed a part of the cloud. Then Pit-Pat says to the Drip Drop, come on, look down, look at the boy who is there with his sheep. Then Drip Drop says that, look, those mountains are very green and beautiful. So both were enjoying the nature. Pit-Pat says that, I feel very happy as I can see many things from here and all are very, very wonderful, and I feel happy. I love becoming a part of the cloud. Then suddenly Pit-Pat, Drip Drop and other water droplets heard the sound, the thundering and lightning. Then with the thundering and lightning, the cloud started shaking. Then Drip Drop says that, all of you be ready, get ready. There is going to be a storm. Now we'll have lots of fun. So be ready. Then all they joined together. Within a short time, all the tiny droplets joined together and formed the large droplet. Now the large droplets become very heavy, and then they have fall down onto the earth in the form of rain. Then Pit-Pat says that, look, Drip Drop, that would be a good place to land. He'll show a place and says that it is very good place for us to land. Drip Drop also says that, Yippee, here we come. Now Pit-Pat says that, this is so fun. Come on, just smell the fresh air. And Drip Drop says that, wow, it's very nice. We are going so fast. Very soon the water droplets, Drip Drop and Pit-Pat joins the stream. Drip Drop and Pit-Pat has fallen on the leaf. Pit-Pat and Drip Drop slide down a rock and fall onto the leaf, and they flows into the stream. From the stream they join the river, and finally the river water joins the ocean. So Pit-Pat and Drip Drop, now they are floating on a leaf, join the ocean. So Pit-Pat says to Drip Drop that, yeah, this is a place where I have started. I came back to my starting place. Then Drip Drop says that, even I have fallen number of times into different places. Once I have fallen in the fields and gave water to the crops. Once I have fallen on the mountains. Once I have fallen as the snow. And sometimes I have become a part of the lovely lake. Then Pitpat says that it's so lovely, exciting. Will this happen once again? Then Drip Drop says that yes, it happens. We'll fall down, and when it gets hot, we'll raise up into the sky, join the clouds, and once again when the water droplets become heavier, will come down onto the earth in the form of rain. So it's a water cycle. So the water droplets fall down on the earth in the form of rain, and when these water droplets gets very hot, they rise up into the sky in the form of vapor, and then with the cool air forms the water droplets, becomes a part of the cloud. All the small droplets join together, forms the big droplets, and again they'll fall onto the earth in the form of rain. So falling down in the form of rain, the water is the liquid form. Then this water become hot and rises up in the form of vapor. Then once again the vapors cool down and forms the droplets. So this is the water cycle. So Drip Drop clearly explains Pitpat that once again will fall down. Then Pitpat says that I cannot wait for another adventure. Okay, that is about the lesson Pitpat's journey. Children, now I'll show you the video of the lesson. Watch the video and understand it clearly, children.
Pitpat's journey.
Wake up, Pitpat.
Oh, it's getting very hot.
Well, my rays are very powerful. It will get hotter still.
That dark cloud looks cool. It will be nice up there. Hey, I'm floating. I don't have to swim anymore. I'm just gliding up, and up.
Hello, I'm Drip Drop. Have you two come for a ride?
Hi, I have come to cool off. Come, let us join that group there and form a cloud.
There, we are in a cloud. Lots of drops like you and me have come together to form a cloud.
Hey, look at that boy below with his sheep.
Those mountains are green and beautiful.
Oh, I can see so much from up here. I love being in a cloud.
There's going to be a storm. Get ready for some fun.
Look, Drip Drop, that would be a good place to land.
Yippee! Here we come.
This is fun. Smell the fresh air.
Wow, we're going so fast.
We are going to join that stream.
Hey, this is where I started. We are back in the ocean.
So are you. Sometimes I've landed in a field and watered the crops. Sometimes I've fallen as snow. Once I was part of a lovely lake.
How exciting! So will this happen again?
Yes, it will go on and on. When it gets very hot, we rise up in the air. In the sky, we join other drops to form clouds. Soon we come down on earth as rain or snow.
I cannot wait for another adventure.
That is the video of the lesson Pitpat's journey. Hope you all have understood the lesson well. Now with this, we'll close today's session. Coming to today's year homework, read lesson 10, Pitpat's Journey. That's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye children.